Hey everyone, good evening. Uh, we are here doing some... Wala may viewer. Nangatulog na siguro. So we are here, we will sing couple of songs. I think we are going to sing at least, how many songs? How many songs? We are going to sing at least 5 songs. This in connection with worshiping God this evening. So we hope and pray that you will be blessed on the songs that we are going to sing. This is coming from our heart, and we do hope and pray that this song will help you also, especially where we are going to sleep tonight. So, by the way, my name is Loi, and this is
Teacher Mark.
Teacher Mark. Gamitan talaga ng teacher. Shout out pala sa aming mga friends dyan, no? Si Jayso. Bro, we miss you here. And JB. No? Sana we can do this one together with you guys. So what's our first song? So this evening I'm going to sing one Thai song. Yeah, one Thai song, and so let's start with the song In Moment Like This to invite the Holy Presence of God. In moment like this, I sing out a song. I sing out a love songs to Jesus. In moment like this, I lift up my hands. I lift up my hands to the Lord, singing, I love you, Lord, singing, I love you, Lord, singing, I love you, Lord, I love you. In moment like this, I sing out a song. I sing out a love song to Jesus. In moment like this, I lift up my hands. I lift